What's going on, everybody? Today we are at a repeat client. I'm taking care of this client for about 4 years, and as you can see, it is a propane company, and specifically what we're maintaining and what we're going to be taking care of is propane tankers. Yesterday, crew came out and washed the tanker trucks and got everything prepped, fully garbed up, FR coveralls, safety glasses, wearing all the proper PPE. Personal safety is #1. We're going to be doing some metal polishing, some detailing on these trucks. And I'm going to go ahead and take you over here, what you see. So we're going to be just brightening this up a little bit and just adding a little bit of pop to it. As you can see, we got this completely washed, all the grease off of there, but we're going to be polishing this all the way around here. We're also going to be touching up this, also getting this again, and all this diamond plate. And we got it cleaned up real good, so we got that taken care of. And not going to be messing with any of this. We're going to be working all the way around. Coming around over here, we'll be working with these fenders, this box, and then of course this tank. Get that looking a little bit better. Walking over here, we have another one that we're going to be taking care of. And it's going to be this here. This tank. This tank has a milled finish. This is a milled finish tank. It will never be a perfect mirror. We're not sanding it. We don't do any body work. We're not sanding, but it will have a enhanced reflection. So always remember, when detailing and polishing, it is not body work. You're not restoring anything. You're just enhancing what is already there. And it's always subject to pre-existing condition and the characteristics of the metallurgy and the characteristics of whatever's being detailed, whether it be paint or metals. So this is still looking pretty good. Going to be turning loose one of our other technicians today on this one. Doesn't have a box like the other one. That way we can get this done and turned today in one day. All right, everyone, so going to be polishing this, just repolishing, and shouldn't require a whole lot of work, but got respirator on, safety glasses, ear protection, hand protection, don't want to lose any fingers, FR coveralls, hard-toed safety boots, you name it. So steel-toe, composite-toe safety boots, and let's get to working safe. That is today's project. And also, if you're interested in receiving services, you can give us a call directly, 800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341. Anywhere in the United States, anywhere in the world, we are there. So it is international. Operate across the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, all the way over to the UAE, UK, you name it. If you're interested in getting training and you own a company or a business, an enterprise business, or duly qualified, we do offer training and licensing. Check out our website, EXQUISITEMAD.com. You can contact us there at info@EXQUISITEMAD.com.